Crystals and applications. C&A Corporation. Tetra arc furnace for single crystal growth. T01. The furnace has 4 electrodes and a rotating pull-up axis and can grow conductive bulk crystals. This furnace enables simple setting, free crystal growth, and easy cleaning. You can grow the crystals of superconductors, superalloys, high-entropy alloys, and so on. Bulk crystals can be rotationally pulled up using a seed shaft unit. The furnace environment is kept clean by an oxygen getter. We offer all the features needed for crystal growth. Let's advance your experiment with our products.